All right, gang, I want to give you a little bit of feedback before I install this on this Hamilton Hills triple light fixture that we picked up. This is going to be replacing in our downstairs bathroom a light fixture that's just kind of one that's flat on the wall that we don't really love. We saw this online and thought this would be a good upgrade in our bathroom. It is a wall mount light fixture that actually extends off the wall about 9.5 inches, I believe, total, with 3 different fixtures on it. It does come obviously with the actual fixture itself, 3 globes. I've got 2 more down here, and comes with light bulbs, which is a very nice feature that a lot of lamps don't come with, but does come with this, which I think is a nice little added feature. The thing I love about this too is just the ease of install. It's very clean, very simple. It's got wall brackets in here. It's an X-shaped wall bracket that you can see here that you'll be pushing, that you'll put on there. It's a simple 3-wire configuration. It's got a long enough pigtail that you can do this without having to struggle with it being so close, but not so long that you're gonna have issues with curling the wiring up. And it comes pre-stripped, which I really do love and appreciate. Wire nuts are also included in the hardware package. So really, this is an altogether easy, simple, all-included package for what you're going to need to install this brand new fixture. If this is something that you're looking for, if you're looking for an upgrade in your bathroom, something that's going to stand out a little bit, provide a little bit more light, and come with absolutely everything that you're going to need, man, I think this is the way to go. Check it out. It's made by Hamilton Hills.